We're gonna go get your blanket and then go to the grocery store, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You ready? You wanna go fast?
Yes.
Okay. I count to 3.
1, 2, 3. Faster!
Yeah, you gotta say it loud. Count loud.
1, 2, 3. Faster!
Whoa! Whoa!
1, 2, 3. Faster!
What's going on, guys? We are on a dinner run, making tacos tonight. Been having a strong urge for some tacos lately, so we are going to run to the grocery store to get some tacos, and let's see, yeah, cook it up tonight. So it's like the first nice warm front coming through for the area, so it's a lot of people out. You can smell the grills getting fired up. You can smell the firewood for people, you know, doing their little bonfires behind the house and stuff. I'm gonna go grab some food real quick, so hopefully we can have an awesome spread tonight for a taco extravaganza. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. A lot of stuff starting up, cars and coffee and different events and car shows and stuff. So definitely gonna be getting some footage of that stuff for you guys coming up. Talking to some friends in Cincinnati for some stuff going on their end. Cincinnati's like about 2 hours away from me, maybe a little bit less. But so I'm gonna be shooting out there for a couple events when I get some free time coming up on the weekends. But so yeah, that's about it. What's going on, guys? We are on a taco run today. Oh, that was a awesome S3 that just drove by. But we are on a taco run today, and it's like super nice out. What is it, 60 degrees? I'll take it. Like, this is very warmer than what it's been lately, so I'm going to enjoy it. But we are on a taco run, decided to take the Jeep and have a little fun with RJ. He likes going fast in the Jeep. We don't go over the speed limit, so calm down. But we may do like 5 over. But accelerations are rather brisk, so it's all within the speed limit, so we're good. So we are at Meijer, and gonna make this run real quick so we can do our little taco spread tonight. Hope you guys are having an awesome weekend. The Malibu's wrapping up. Joe's got, I want to say Joe has everything he needs now. The chromer that we were working with had some mix up in parts, but I want to say we're all straight now. I haven't had a chance to check with Joe. I've been out of town for work, so I don't know where we are, but I do know we're coming down home stretch. He sent me some pictures of the car, and it is amazing. The lockup on this thing, crazy lockup in the back. So you know, I think mission accomplished just from the pictures he showed me. But with the lockup, the three wheel is insane. I was shooting for a killer 3-wheel, and we got it. Got some stuff for the convertible Impala. Found an awesome guy on Craigslist who had some parts, and was able to get a lot of parts sourced that I need for the build on the convertible and the hardtop. So definitely looking forward to getting that done. So stay tuned for that. We will be definitely getting some stuff built up and get a list made up on both cars, so we can kind of get an idea of what all is going to be needed for the hardtop, what all is going to be needed for the convertible. Because the hardtop's pretty much a driver. It just needs the floors. It's ready to go. But so I'm going to get those floors done on there. And outside of that, it's just going to be a little decorative stuff. Probably replacing the trim, getting some stuff, you know, up to par there. But that's about it. So, all right, RJ's getting antsy, so we got to run in here and get these tacos. Bring you guys with us so we can get this excitement out the way. You ready, RJ?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that means yes. So we are going to go. Let's get you unbuckled up. Okay, There's one area on the Jeep, since I've had it, starting to get a little bad now. This area right here. And that was like that when I got it, but it's definitely becoming more and more visible, so gonna have to get that taken care of. But that's the only like bubbled up area or rust on the truck. I'm not sure what happened with the previous owner and why that's like that, but the Jeep's still looking good though. Jeep's looking good. I'm gonna get those calipers resprayed. The clear coat on the caliper peeled off, which is pretty common on the Jeeps from what I've seen, with the heat buildup. So the heat kills the clear coat and the paint, and they fade and turn pink instead of red. So get those back red again. But Jeep's looking good though. Jeep's looking good. Pink calipers and all. It's looking good. So, all right, guys, we are at Meyer, and in Noblesville. Hey, this is the blue that I was telling you guys about for the Impala. This is the blue on the Honda Accord. Oh man, I don't know how this is gonna come out on camera, but check this out though. This is the blue that I want to do on the convertible or the hardtop, either one. But let me know what you guys think about this color. This is it. I've been trying to get to a Honda dealer so I can show you guys, but this is such a pretty blue. It's kind of like a hint, I don't know, I'd say like a hint of purple maybe in the areas that don't have direct sunlight. That is beautiful.
Hey, Daddy.
Yep.
Is that purple?
This car right here?
Mm-hmm.
Does it look purple to you or blue?
It's blue.
It's blue, yeah. It's blue. That is so nice. All right. All right. This is it though. So let's go ahead and it's a pretty nice Honda. Pretty nice. This color is beautiful. In the sunlight or in the dark, like this color is amazing. I don't know what the color is, but loving this color. It looks amazing in the sunlight, and even when it doesn't have direct sun, it's still beautiful. Beautiful color. I really feel like Honda knocked it out the park on that color. That was an awesome, awesome color. Very nice. So, all right, let's go ahead and run in here to this Meyer. Get these tacos.